sun's on the screen, so I can't really see if I got Holly in there. I hope I have. She likes the water, not Makoto. I had to bribe him to go in for a paddle. Oh, Holly, can't see if you're in there now, can you? Just trying to keep it in line with the lead. Whoa! Perhaps I should get you a surfboard, Holly. What's that?